He continues to say, but be ye transformed. Transform in the Greek, it comes from the word metamorpho, which means complete change. And so what Paul was doing was instructing them to put on another form. Yeah, he's instructing them to switch out the form of the world, that form of carnality, for the form of Jesus Christ. And so with these words, we have outlined for us what I like to refer to as the battle of the forms. Yeah, we have conformation, and then on the other hand, we have transformation. Conform and transform, and to be conformed, it constrains you to the boundaries of your flesh and to the world, while to be transformed allows us to experience change in the unlimited grace of God. And so a lot of times we as the people of God, we are stuck between this battle of conformation and between this battle of transformation, and both of them are tugging on us. Both of them are pulling. A confirmation wants you and transformation wants you,